Hello everyone, I am Sasmit Kavindu. Today I am going to demonstrate how to use Zotero for reference management in my research on AI for fraud detection. As you can see, I have already installed the Zotero desktop application and the Zotero connector extension in my browser. Firstly, we open the Zotero application. First, I'll create the new collection for my assignment. I right click on library and select a new collection and it named it fraud detection research. Then create collection. Now we have an empty folder as ready. So now let's add our first sourcing using the manual entry method. I click this button and select the book in the right side bar. I will enter the book title using this PDF and next enter the author's name and it's ready. So now I will add journal article using its DOI number. Click the magic code icon and enter the DOI number. Then I using the this document and copy this DOI number and using this icon enter the DOI number and enter. As you can see, all the reference metadata is automatically uh, generated. So now we move to the third source. I will upload the PDF file directly. I drag and drop the PDF file into the my Zotero collection. Now Zotero automatically extract the reference detail from the this document. So now I will use the Zotero connector browser plugin the add this source. I use in the Google Scholar and I already search this PDF and connect the Zotero using uh, like this. Now, now you can see directly into our collection. Before using before using these, I will verify the like author, year, and title and all the data. Next, I will use to tags. I will select the source and go to the tags and the named tag tag one. It now I can click the twice on the this PDF and PDF viewed, and we can see the PDF file. So now let's open the Microsoft Word for my research data. So I will place my cursor into the this sentence. Go to the Citero menu and add the citation. Select this and click. It's generated like this. Now we can use in the document preferences. Select the citation styles. I'm using APA 7 style 7 edition, and then press OK. To generate the final references list, I'll place my cursor to the bottom and the click this, and Citoro install the creates and fully formatted references list. Finally, before submitting my assignment, I will click the unlink citation to convert everything to plain text. This disconnects the document from Citero to avoid my compiled issue, and that completes the task, and thank you.